everyone, welcome back to my channel. Who doesn't like a bowl of hot steamy white rice to go with any stir fry or curry or any type of protein? Well, I'm going to show you today a quick and easy way to make it in your Instapot. It's so much easier than the stovetop. Of course, on the stovetop you have to continually watch it. I've been making rice in a Japanese rice cooker for all of my adult life, and it's great and all, but knowing that my Instapot can do that, we're going to continue using the Instapot for a while. So come along with me and we're going to make some white rice quick and easy.
Okay, first step is we're going to measure out our rice. In this case, I'm going to make about 5 cups. I'm planning to make a Spam fried rice tomorrow, so I'm cooking extra rice. 3, 4, and this is my almost 5th cup. You can see it's not going to be quite all the way full, but just about 5 cups. Now is the important step of rinsing the rice. You want to get the extra starch off the rice. You can see I'm mashing the grains of rice against each other, and of course you start with clean hands. And you can see how milky the water looks. And you're going to keep doing this process and changing the water about 3 to 4 times till it gets more clear and less milky. An important reason to rinse the rice is if you don't, you're going to have extreme sticky rice, which is okay for certain recipes. But when you want a loose, fluffy grain rice, you want to make sure you do a good job rinsing your rice before you put in your final cooking water. And as you can see, I'm going to try to drain the water really good here because I'm getting ready to measure in my cooking water. And I just use tap water. And I'm going to put in a 1-to-1 ratio. So I have about 5 cups. I'm going to add 5 cups of water. Sometimes I put in a little bit more if I want it a little bit more moist. So it's all up to you. It's a personal preference. Now I'm going to wipe the bottom and get ready to put it inside my Instapot base. Put on the lid, set the valve to sealing, and we're going to go ahead and get it started. So we're going to go ahead and use the Instapot pre-programmed function of rice button. And this is important because if you can see the button on the lower left below the second 0, it says low pressure. Most of the recipes are high pressure recipes. This is actually a low pressure recipe. Okay, after 12 minutes, it's done, and I'm going to do a quick release. And you can see I'm a little bit hesitant here. I don't want to get burnt with the steam. You don't want to be using a towel because the Instapot company states that it's bad for the machine if you do that. Pin goes down. Now it's time to open the pot. And there's your pot of rice. Cooks so fast. And it was just recently cooked, so you can see it's a little bit heavy looking, but it is fluffy. It's just I'm using one hand trying to stir it around. I just loosen it up from the bottom, and you do want to take it out of the Instapot as soon as you can. And there you have it. Quick and easy white rice. Thank you for joining me with this recipe, and I hope to see you in my kitchen real soon. Bye-bye.